The following screencast will provide a demonstration of Acknowledge's gastric wave analysis routines. In order for this particular analysis to work, you require one or two channels of EGG data. And for the start of this demo, I'm going to turn one of the two channels off. So we've got one channel of data that was recorded using an EGG 100C amplifier module with surface electrodes placed on a human subject. The EGG analysis option is available from the analysis menu, Gastric Wave Analysis. When you select this item, a dialog box opens and it gives you control of a number of presets, so the default preset being human, but you can choose dog or you can create your own. And the preset determines the number of cycles per minute that you would typically expect to see a normal, a brady or tachy gastric wave signal. The normal range is between 2 and 4 cycles per minute, brady a little bit slower, 0.5 to 2, and tachy a little bit faster, between 4 and 9 cycles per minute. I'm just going to cancel out here for a moment. If we highlight one of our cycles, which something like that, we can see that this data is falling around about just over 3 cycles per minute. So this is what you would consider to be a normal gastric wave cycle. I'm going to select all, go back into the analysis menu and select gastric wave analysis. There's an option here to output to journal, and I can transform the entire wave. And what the software is going to do when I hit OK, it will use an autoregressive time frequency analysis to determine the classifications of gastric waves present within our selected area. So I hit OK. So here we can see that this approximately 8 minutes of data, 100% of the cycles within that period are classified as normal. There are 0 brady or tachy and no arrhythmias. And we can copy this information to the clipboard and paste it into Excel or Word. And down below, I'm going to hit OK, the values were pasted into the journal file. Now if we go back and we turn the first channel on, we now have 2 channels of EGG data. You can see this one isn't quite as clean, but it allows us now to perform the gastric wave coupling. So here the dialog now allows us to select one or the other channel for the analysis. In the single wave analysis, we're always working from the selected channel, but now we have to identify the 2 waveforms that we're going to look for the coupling. The rest of the dialog is the same as the original analysis. We've got our normal, brady and tachy ranges. We have the ability to add presets or use presets from the menu. We can output to the journal, which is what we're going to do, and we can transform the entire wave. Now our results are broken into 2 areas, channel 1 and channel 2. So we've got the exact same analysis that we ran previously for our 2 channels, and we can see channel 1 is different to channel 2 largely, I think, because there's been some movement in the data. But we've got 28.5% normal, no slow ones, 0 brady, 28 tachy, and arrhythmias 42.8. That's likely to be caused by a little bit of noise that's in there. Channel 2 is much cleaner. Everything appears to be within the normal range. And then at the top we actually have the percentage of coupling across the 2 channels. In this case it's 100%. Down in the journal, this information has been pasted, gastric wave coupling 100%, and then our results for channel 1 and channel 2. And that concludes this demonstration of the acknowledge gastric wave analysis and gastric wave coupling routines.